All right, it's Daniel Murphy, and today that long dead oak is on the agenda. In order to get it into the yard here without climbing, we got to fish it through these two trees, which is going to be a little tight. So we set the pull line up just on that right lead. We're going to pull it with the skid loader here. All right, let's give that a try, see what happens here. And look at the rest of that tree just shaking around there. Not very stable.
That's an understatement.
But we got it down in the drop zone here. We'll set another rope, and I think we'll knife the whole thing over, though maybe we'll try to pull this side over too. Let's see. Huh? That side works so well, maybe we'll do the same thing on this other side, shorten the whole tree up. First we gotta set the throw line though. How does that feel? Does it feel any different than the last one?
The last one I went fast.
All right, let's see what happens. Go ahead, pull it. Oh. Well, that one worked too. Looks like you put a little rip in the tarp is all. But top of that tree is mostly gone now. That's a beautiful thing. That's one way to do it. I don't do it like that too often. The notch is cut. And that rope is set. Going over to the skid loader.
He made me go a half a mile away so that I was in safe distance. Dropped the tree right where he's supposed to. Did a good job.
All right, so how much money did I save you?
Tremendous amount of money.
And nobody...
Thousands.
Yeah, really? Tell the truth.
Yeah.
Thousands?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, so the tree's down, customer's happy. What more could you ask for?